So we start the night routine. Using rose geranium oil, we do a mini foot massage to relax the body and the mind. This improves sleep and helps us get a softer skin overnight. Also massage your hands and remove the tiredness. Feel your touch and deep breathing as you do this, very slowly. Now using the same rose geranium body oil, we will do Nabhi massage. This balances digestion, hormones, reduces bloating and inner glow. So up from the right, down from the left. Up right, down left. Slowly, with breathing. All the exercises we do are with one focus on the breathing. Then we do the kidney rub using the same oil. This reduces fatigue and boosts circulation. When all our organs rest, we get a fresh skin. Okay, my favorite toner. Deep breathe. And this prepares the skin for the oil massage. We always put oil on a damp skin, never on a dry skin. Now using the Delay Aging Night Face Oil, we do the oil massage, which smoothens the fine line, repairs skin, and gives us an overnight glow. So take 5 to 6 drops. Smell the aroma. Make sure your nose is involved, your hands are involved. Your breathing is involved in this entire experience. Deep breath. There is no rush. Slow. Apply it on the full face and move step by step, but with focus on the breathing and the step. Deep breathe and application. Ujjayi breath on the forehead. Now Sheetli breath and laugh line massage. Go up till the forehead and then down from your ear till the neck. Now using our under eye roll-on, we apply it under eyes to reduce the puffiness, dark circles and get fresh, bright eyes. Look at all the points. Give little pressure on each of those points, from under the eyes to the ears and then down the neck. Now using Sheetkari breath, under eye massage. Press this point, which is under the eye on the cheeks, to reduce the tension of the entirety. Using the same roll-on, we press the third eye to relax the nerves. And then let's seal it all with our toner. And deep breath. Let's go out. We look at the star first and then the moon to clear the mental chatter. Look at the moon with a lot of love to reset the skin and get moonlight calm.
ओम चैंटिंग करेंगे। ओम
Now let's do palming to relax the eyes and get a peaceful glow and be ready for a good night's sleep.
Good night.